Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Jarrettsville local and long-distance movers near me. Jarrettsville's community can benefit from our comprehensive long-distance moving services. We provide custom solutions for all types of moves, whether you're relocating a small apartment or a large family home. Our skilled team offers specialized packing for fragile items and efficient loading techniques, ensuring a swift and secure move. Jarrettsville, known for its close-knit community, deserves a moving service that's equally warm and efficient. Our local services include professional packing and unpacking, careful handling of household items, efficient residential relocations, office moving solutions, and personalized moving plans for special requirements. Choose us for a move in Jarrettsville that's as friendly as the town itself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jarrettsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.